Hi, welcome back to another session of anubhavshaphotography. In this session, we are going to talk about how to create dispersion effect and how to achieve really wonderful photo manipulation in Photoshop. And we'll quickly see how to convert this to this. We have already seen in our previous series that how to achieve dispersion effect. Links of those series are floating in the I button. In this session, we are going to see how to achieve dispersion effect, but with a very different and unique way. So let's jump into Photoshop and start the magic. Hello wonderful people, this is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhavshaphotography. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, first thing first, let's open Photoshop and open the model image. So for this session, we are going to use this pretty model and we'll quickly start. So first of all, let's double click on the background and convert it to the layer. Just using quick selection tool, we are going to cut the image. Once it is done, just press Command J to make a copy. So you will see that you have the cutout on separate layer. Just press this particular layer and do Command J to make a copy. Enable it and just select this particular layer which you have just created. Press Command or Control and click on this thumbnail once. You'll get all the selection right like this. Disable it. Go to Edit, Fill, select Content Aware, opacity 100%, press OK. This is perfect. Now just do Command D to deselect. So now this is perfect. Now you have the selection on separate layer, right? And you have the background. Let's proceed further. Just enable this layer, select it and use quick selection tool once again, and this time just make selection for the dress, only dress. You can choose any kind of selection tool like polygon lasso tool or quick selection tool, whatever is convenient for you, or even pen tool. Please check our videos for the more detailed description about these selection tools. This is perfect. Once the selection is done for the dress only, just do Command J once again. So now you have the dress, you have entire model image, and you have the background. And actually this is the background. We'll call it BG, background. This is model, this is dress. Just select the model here and press Command and just click on this thumbnail once. Disable background and do Command Shift I to invert. Do Command J to make a copy. Now by doing this action, we will have one new layer which will have the model only. We have just made it in case we require it. Just click on the model and drag it underneath and enable the dress. Click on dress, create masking and do Command I to invert. Press BG, select clone stamping tool. We have already made several sessions about clone stamping tool, how to use it. Please check the videos for the detailed description. That will help you to improve. Press Alt and just click erase it like this. Take sampling and make it more real. Perfect. Once you have achieved it, you are seeing some outlines are coming still here like this. Let me zoom it. I'm talking about these. These lines are actually coming from the model only, like this, right? Just select this layer and select the masking. Make sure foreground color is selected as black. Select the brush and just remove it. Careful. Do not apply anything on the model. Now just select the dress and the masking which you just created and select any brush. Any kind of brush. I'm using the smoke brush. If you do not have these brushes, please do not worry. Comment to us. I'm going to share all the details to you right away. Just increase the size. Make sure foreground color is selected as white and just click like this. Go to brush settings. If you don't get this particular option, go to Windows and brush settings. It will be activated. And just rotate the brush and do few more clicks. Also change it. And we are almost done, and we will quickly grab the text tool and we will write some text on it. Horizontal type tool just create new layer and select any font you like. I'm selecting holiday free. You can download it from Google, and if you don't find it, please don't waste your time. Message us or comment us. I'm going to share all the details to you right away. Make it sharp, center aligned, and choose any color you want. Well, we can change it later on. Just type right now and change its size as per your requirements. Change the font you like, press OK. Make it fill all the way 0%. Right click, go to blending options. Come to bevel and emboss and select the following settings. Color overlay and change any color you like. Drop shadow. We will come back to this particular option to change some effects. We are pressing OK right now. Select this dispersion layer and drag it underneath. So it should be above to BG layer but below to dress and model only. Do Command T and drag it like this. Increase the size and just rotate it. And now I'm just going back to this. So I'm actually adjusting these settings as per my image, because text which I'm writing, I want the shadow to be coming on this paddy field. You can change the settings as per your requirements. There is no hard and fast rule. Press OK once you're satisfied, and you can just improvise the dress as per your requirements. And now just creating another layer. Going to shape, rectangular tool, select shape, fill with none, make stroke any color you like, make it 23. You can change it later and just make like this. Do Command T and you can adjust it as per your requirements. Press enter. I'm making it somewhere 60 pixels. Press enter. Drag this particular layer and just drag it underneath like this. Select the dress copy, select the brush and just make it more visible where these edges are coming. And this is perfect. Now finally we are just going to create one level layer and we will just adjust it a little bit. And one curve layer. Just do Command Alt Shift E to make a composite layer. Go to filter, camera raw filter and adjust the sliders as per your requirements. And just go to effect and apply some vignette effect. Press OK once you're done. And finally you can just remove these stars if you want. You can just grab the clone stamping tool. Select on this layer which you have just created, press Alt, take the sample and remove it. This is now really perfect. You have achieved so wonderful results, and really quickly see what we have achieved with it. So we started with this image and we have achieved this wonderful results. Before, after. Before, after. This is so amazing, and you can enjoy this particular technique to produce so amazing results. In case you find it difficulty, you are most welcome all the time. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so as we have seen how wonderfully and effectively we can really generate dispersion effect in Photoshop, and we can do photo manipulation on any kind of photograph or image. By using this technique, you can really achieve wonderful results. In case you find any difficulty using Photoshop, photography or Adobe Premiere Pro, you can go to our website www.anubhavshaphotography, or you can just comment in the comment section down below. And if you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. We are coming back with very fresh dedicated episode for you. Meanwhile, stay fit, stay healthy, be happy. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhavshaphotography signing off.